Good afternoon, everyone. My name's Thomas from MGM Classic Cars, coming to you from Addison, Illinois. Today I have the pleasure of showing you this really clean, nice California Mustang that we just got in today. Okay. It's been in California all its life, from what I understand, and then went over to Florida. And now we inquired the vehicle, and now it's on the open market. So I'll walk around the car to show you the body and paint, the overall, view. I mean, I'm talking here, this is, about 12 feet away, just so you have an overview on everything. Then we'll get a little bit closer. It's a little windy here. So we're located in Addison, Illinois, like I said. Beautiful Wimbledon white paint job. The Boss 302. Like I mentioned, the Boss 302 is a decal. It does come off if anybody wanted it, but really, honestly, it looks great. So we'll get a little bit closer so you guys can see. There's no rust bubbles. There's no, really, the paint has no imperfections all around the car. Nice satin black rear spoiler. Excellent rockers. All the bezels, trim is in good condition. The grille is in good condition. Chrome is new. Bottom spoiler looks like new. It's got a mean look to it. Magnum 500 factory wheels. Cooper radial tires. The fronts are 235 60 15. Look how clean it is underneath there. Very clean. Same with the back, matching Cooper radial TAs. The backs are 245 60 15s, which gives this car a great stance. New vinyl top. It is a power top, which we'll go over. Plastic clear window. Rear tail lights look very nice with all the emblems. This is for the gas tank here. Nice chrome. This looks like the original bumper. It's not as new, or should I say as crisp as the front one, but it's very presentable. I mean, from 5 feet away, it looks great. The best thing about this car, it's reliable, which we'll go over. I love the hood scoop on this thing. Looks really cool. Very nice white parchment interior. Door jambs look good. New Ford door sill plates installed. Nice original door panels. I do have the speaker grill cover for that as well. Super clean, super nice. All seat belts are intact. The weather stripping is nice on the car too. And I'll fire it up and we'll walk around the car. Very easy to start. .302 4-barrel. New battery, newer alternator, power steering, power brakes, beautiful underneath the hood. I mean, it's running. She's quiet. Here's the passenger side, so you can check out the door panel. Door jambs, passenger seat, really nice, as you can see. Carpet's clean. This has the auxiliary channel, the auxiliary cord, not channel, for the newer radio, which we'll go over to. Nice dash too. Let's go for a ride. So really quick, to detach the convertible top is a latch right here and over on the other side. Very simple. And then here's your power top. Okay. And there it goes. It's that simple. It takes 4 seconds. And now we'll go for a test drive in a little bit here. So I just want to show you, horn works, exterior lights do work, wipers function, radio works.
So what you want me to do?
Okay, defrost heat works, seat belts are all intact here. Cigarette lighter, I don't care if that works. And then your glove box. So everything works here. The alternator, gauge, the speedometer, it's showing 10,912 miles, most likely 110,000. Fuel gauge functions, temp gauge functions, and you got great oil pressure. Okay. All right, the top is down, tunes are up. Enjoy the ride. Brakes work excellent on the car. It doesn't pull left, it doesn't pull right. I mean, everything functions. The car's amazing. I mean, it's, if you're looking for something reliable for a daily driver, weather permitting, I mean, this is it. You know, I mean, I've been around these cars for 27 years, and I mean, this puts a smile on your face every time you get in it. Exhaust sounds really good on the car. I mean, starts right up and goes. It's an awesome little car. It really, really is. If you guys are looking for financing, I can finance. Obviously, if you have good credit, I get you a good rate. Gotta have at least a 650 credit score to get approved. Anything in the 700s is probably no money down to get approved. U.S. residents only. We ship worldwide. Okay, so send me your zip code. I'll get you a quote for that as well, to get this thing into your garage. I mean, this is the way to go, guys. Top down. Wife can drive it. My 21-year-old daughter can drive this car. Not a problem. It's simple. It's easy. It's got, you know, the modern radio with all the tunes. Plugs right into your iPhone. Ready to go. And she's quiet. I mean, if you wanted to put different mufflers and make this thing sound a little bit more deeper, you can, but why? I mean, this thing's a cruiser. It's not a hot rod, and I think someone, that's how this car should be. It should be just a cruiser. I mean, imagine cruising the coast with this thing. You know, I'm here in the Midwest, and man, I wish I lived on the West Coast. Maybe I will in the future, but this is what I see myself driving, cruising the coast. We're at 50 miles an hour, and it's straight going down the road. Nice and smooth, low RPMs, great on gas. It's the way you want it. guys want to check out other cars, go to mgmclassiccars.com. I do lots of photos. I do long videos because most of my cars get shipped out from our place to your garage, and I just want to make sure that you guys know what you're buying, and exactly what I'm telling you is what it is. There's 100% transparency. I'm 100% feedback on eBay. I'm a 5-star on Google, and I'm proud of it because you know, let's face it, we're selling old vintage cars that are 50 plus years old, and not everything is perfect. So to explain the cars to you guys is very important to me. You're spending your hard-earned money, and I want to make sure you get what you want and what you're looking for, and to know what you're paying for. So that's why I do extensive photos and my long videos. I know they can get boring sometimes, but if you're a serious buyer on my cars and watching my videos, you won't think it's boring, because I really think it's important to do long videos and extensive photos. Not too many other places do so. I do. I truly care, and I want to make sure you guys get you know, what you deserve. So bear with me here. The video is almost over. But we're going to finish off this test drive shortly here. But it's such a beautiful day here. It's 85 degrees and sunny in Addison, Illinois, and I'm just really enjoying the cruise in this convertible. I actually drove it home last night, and I'm about 40 miles away each way, and I mean, it purrs like a kitten at 70 miles an hour on the freeway. It's a pleasure to drive. I mean, you guys can tell in my video, it's just, the temperament on this car is great. There are no complaints on this car, guys. It shifts really nice too. The pickup and go is very good. Again, it's not going to smoke the tires because it's a cruiser, but it does got a 302 in it. I mean, it is a great motor, you know. Okay, so again, my name's Thomas. Reach out to me. My number's 847-848-1850. I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions that you have, or if you want some extra photos or anything, or even a custom video. I mean, I'll do it, but here's the video now, and it's going to tell you everything about the car as well, and you can see for yourself. I mean, this is real. There's nothing to be hidden, and you're going to get yourself a beautiful 70 Mustang convertible with a big curb appeal. I mean, it looks. I mean, you go to a car show. There's not too many of these either, you know. So. Call me, text me. My number is 847-848-1850, and I'll be more than happy, again, like I said, to help you guys out. So don't wait long. These cars don't last on the market. They sell very quickly, especially at the prices and the financing rates that are being offered today. So again, mgmclassiccars.com. Thank you again for watching. We'll talk soon. Treat yourself. Let's do it.